Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make some DIY no-sew spring pillows out of kitchen towels. I'm going to be using this pattern here and also this pattern here, and I'm going to be making two of these and one of this pattern. So stick around to see how I made these. I'll be using either or of two types of fabric glue that I do have. You can also use hot glue, but I would strongly advise not to use that in the machine. If you want a stronger hold, you can also sew this particular project if you have a machine on hand. With that being said, I would like to ask if you can hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and join my YouTube family, and also the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And yes, let's jump right into this video. I took the tea towel and I folded it in half lengthways, and I just made sure that each of the edges were lined up. I had two options for glue: my Allure no-sew thread liquid adhesive and also some Dollar Zone fabric glue that I purchased. I started on one end and I worked my way all around, leaving a gap so that I can fill the pillow when it's all dried. I made sure and I pressed firmly so that it adheres and it doesn't fall apart on me when I'm filling it. And I repeat that for both of the pillows that I made. I decided to make a third pattern because this was so easy to do and so quick. It literally took me like probably 30 minutes to do 5 of these pillows with drying time and everything. So once I have all of the glue onto the edges, I took some of these clamps that you can get at Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these clamps. It comes in handy very often. Once the glue has dried, I removed the clamps and I began filling each of these pillows with some polyfill. You can use an old pillow, or you can also purchase a pillow and take it apart to get the polyfill, because polyfill is pretty expensive and it's expensive everywhere. If you like seeing these types of videos, leave me a big thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. It really helps me out a lot. And as I said, this was very quick and easy to do. You can do this up in some of your spare time, seeing that we have nowhere to be and we have to be inside. So once they were all filled, I just took the same adhesive and I closed the opening shut and I clamped it down so that it stays in place. I repeat for each of the pillows that I made. Once they have dried, I remove the clamps, and this is my final product. I absolutely love how these turned out. They turned out so gorgeous. I absolutely love the colors. They are so springish. That's so good. You can also add some bunnies to the front of them, but I absolutely love them as plain as they are. And especially the gray one, I can leave it out right through the year. I can leave any one of them out right through the year. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.